你好, welcome to 1 Minute Chinese. 1 minute a day makes your Chinese great. In this lesson, we will talk about the introduction to Chinese pronunciation, the initial consonant, qi. Make sure you watch our previous videos so you will have a better understanding of the Chinese syllable. When you see the English letter Q in Pinyin, the pronunciation is qi, 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 qi. It's like the CH in the English word cheese, but with a stronger puff of breath. When you pronounce the Mandarin Chinese qi sound, your lips are spread like a smile, just like when taking photos we say cheese, but with spread lips, and the middle part of the tongue is tightly pressed against the roof of the mouth, and be sure to bite down on the back teeth. Say qi. Make sure that you are wearing a big smile when you say the qi sound. Say qi. We will talk about the exceptions in another lesson. Now, mimic the mouth shape in the video carefully and repeat after it. Qi, 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 qi. Pronunciation exercise for qi sound. Let's combine the initial qi, the final yi, and the high-pitched first tone all together. Qi, yi, qi. Repeat after me. Qi, yi, qi. Qi, qi, qi. Qi is 7 in Chinese. Pronunciation exercise for qi sound. Let's combine the initial qi, the final yin, and the high-pitched first tone all together. Qi, yin, qing. Repeat after me. Qi, yin, qing. Qing, qing, qing. Qing is to kiss in Chinese. Quiz time. When you see the English letter Q in Pinyin, how would you pronounce it? The answer is qi. Are there any topics that you're interested in learning Chinese? Feel free to comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. 1 minute Chinese a day makes your Chinese great. Have a blessed day.